Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy F05 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Now let's enter reset, and as you can see right here it is divided between two different options, so we can reset mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Basically it works the same, so just let me show you. Simply tap on this option, tap on reset settings. You have to confirm it with your pattern, PIN or password, and what is important, you cannot undo this action, so be aware, and tap on reset. We've got this confirmation, which is good. So now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, just tap on reset settings, and as you can see it is much easier, however pretty same. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.